Wise Agent CRM Review Watch before using. Most real estate agents struggle not because of lack of leads, but because they fail to follow up consistently. And that's where Wise Agent changes the game. Wise Agent is a CRM built for real estate professionals. It helps manage contacts, leads, transactions, and marketing campaigns. Here's what most people get wrong. They think CRMs are complicated. Wise Agent is designed to be simple and agent-friendly. You can automate follow-ups, send email campaigns, track client notes, and manage transactions in one dashboard. Wise Agent also includes templates for newsletters and drip campaigns to keep you top of mind with clients. However, the surprising truth is that Wise Agent focuses more on simplicity than deep customization. Wise Agent is best for real estate agents who want easy organization and automated communication. The surprising truth is that consistency builds commissions. Wise Agent helps you stay consistent. If you want an easy way to manage your real estate business, Wise Agent is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more real estate tools and honest reviews.